In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or on aeroplane mode on Android. If you have accidentally turned on aeroplane mode on your Android device, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. First, I'm going to show you the quick method to turn it off, and then I'll show you how to do that in your Android settings. At the top of your Android screen, swipe down from the very top. In my case, I see 4 tiles. I see the Wi-Fi tile, which is currently disabled because of airplane mode, and likewise, Bluetooth is also disabled. I also have the Do Not Disturb tile, and lastly, the Wallet tile. To see more tiles, I'm going to need to tap and hold and pull down a bit more. And now I do see the airplane mode tile. If you still don't see your airplane mode tile, then you may have more tiles. To see more tiles, simply swipe from the right to the left, and then you should see more tiles. I'm going to swipe back from left to right to turn off airplane mode. Simply tap on the tile. And there we go, airplane mode has been toggled off. Your mobile data connection will be restored along with your Wi-Fi connection. Now I'm going to show you how to turn off or on airplane mode in your Android settings. So I'm going to swipe up from the very bottom to go back to my Android home screen, and then I'm going to open my settings app. My settings app is on my Android home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, look for network and internet and tap. In here, you should see airplane mode. To turn on airplane mode, all I need to do is tap on this toggle, and there we go, airplane mode has now been turned on. And again, to toggle it off, simply tap on the toggle again to disable it or turn it off. And that concludes this video on how to turn off or on airplane mode on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so